don't know what more you can ask for. This is going to be proof that this GEYOTO solar generator has got a ton of power. It's an 1800 watt model. We have a 12,000 BTU inverter style air conditioner running and also a pedestal fan at the same time off the same solar generator. The thing I love about this solar generator is it's going to be Wi-Fi connected. So right now it's pulling a total of 755 watts, and that's going to go up and down as it adjusts. This number is going to change depending on how much charge time we have left. Right now it's 58 minutes, but as the inverter on the air conditioner kicks on and off, that number is going to change. We're at 85% as far as the charge in this battery. This also comes standard with 240 watt USB-Cs, two 30 watt USB-Cs, and two 12 watt USB-As. You've got 4 of those 120 volt plugs rated at 1800 watt, and this is going to be pure sine wave power. That way you don't have to worry about frying any electronics. It does come with that LED light on the front of it. You can use that for reading, 3 different brightness settings, and also 1 flash pattern. On the top, this thing's loaded with features. It has a MagSafe charger that can be flipped up. You can use this as a phone stand to watch movies at night while charging your phone at the same time. One thing that sets this one apart from other models is the fact that it has this heavy-duty rubber bumper around the outside. That way you don't have to worry about it if you drop it. If you want one of the most powerful solar generators on the market that also has a Wi-Fi app, I'm going to leave that on shopping cart for you at the bottom of the screen. You can pick it up there.